Hello everyone, we are Group 3. We are excited to present our group project on psychologist Brenda Milner. Over the past few weeks, our team has collaborated to explore, research and analyze various aspects of this topic. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. Let's talk about her personal life. Brenda Milner was born in 1918 in Manchester, England, into a family that loved music and learning. Her father was a music critic and her mother was a singer. Sadly, her father died when she was just 8 years old. Brenda Milner was very good at school and later became a world-famous brain scientist. During World War II, she met and married Peter Milner, an engineer who also became a scientist. They didn't have children but shared a close and supportive partnership throughout their lives. Brenda Milner lived simply. She didn't own a car or a house and focused on her work and research. Even in her 90s, she walked to work every day at McGill University and stayed mentally active. She also gave money to help young scientists. Brenda is known not for just her great work, but for her curiosity, kindness, and love of learning. Brenda Milner earned a Bachelor of Arts in Experimental Psychology from Cambridge in 1939. After initially studying mathematics, her wartime research led to a Master of Arts in 1949. She completed a PhD at McGill University in 1952 under Donald Hebb, focusing on the effects of temporal lobes damage on intellect research that launched her pioneering work on memory. In 1972, she received a degree from Cambridge in recognition of her major contribution to experimental psychology. Brenda Milner was a great neuropsychologist whose groundbreaking work showed how different parts of the brain affect memory and thinking. She wrote in 1954 about how damage to the temporal lobes of the brain can make a person think and feel differently. In the early stage of her work with H.M., Milner wanted to completely understand his memory impairment. Milner's groundbreaking study with patient H.M. who had a bilateral temporal lobectomy showed that there was two types of memory, episodic and procedural. She found this by saying that H.M. could learn new movement skills without remembering how they were learned. Her research showed that the hippocampus and frontal lobes are very important for remembering, solving problems, and keeping track of time. Milner also helped us learn more about how the brain divides into two sides, showing how language control changes depending on handedness and severe brain injuries. Her contribution significantly influenced cognitive neuroscience, brain surgery, and memory studies. She gave $1 million to Montreal Neuropsychological Institute in 2007 to help fund continued studies. In recent years, Brenda Milner has carried out more research on language and memory in healthy individuals, utilizing brain imaging methods including fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging, and PTE, spectrum emission tomography scans. These studies focus on the identification of brain regions associated with spatial memory and language in monolingual and bilingual people. Brenda Milner taught and conducted research at McGill University and the Montreal Neurological Institute even after she turned 100. She collaborated bilingualism studies with scholars such as Dennis Callan. She celebrated turning 100 in 2018 and received recognition for her lifetime of service. She also made an appearance in a series of videos that encouraged and supported women in science. Brenda Milner has been internationally celebrated for her pioneering work in neuropsychology, particularly in understanding memory and brain function. She received the Order of Canada Award in 1984 and 1995 and was elected to the National Academy of Sciences of USA and the Royal Society of UK in recognition of her scientific leadership. Her groundbreaking research earned her top honors including the Gairdner Award in 2005, Balzan Prize in 2009, Pearl Mr. Greengard Prize in 2011 and both the Kavli Prize and then David Prize in 2014. These awards reflect her lasting influence on neuroscience and cognitive science.